Alright, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Today we're in Kyoto, Kyoto, downtown Kyoto specifically, and me and my girlfriend wanted to eat some Korean food, so I looked online and I found this Korean restaurant. This place is called Ajushi. That means middle-aged man like me. So it looks delicious. I saw it online and I think we're gonna go eat here. It's about 5 o'clock and I just think they just opened, so I'm gonna check it out. They look like they got some an English menu, which is really nice. All sorts of stuff here. Wow, they got a lot of different type of food here. Got some Korean music playing. Alright, so we ordered this Korean noodles, Kyoto style. And we ordered some pork meat, and then I think we're gonna order some more pork. And then they give you this like little apron so the grease catches it and doesn't get on your clothes. They just brought us some lettuce and some sesame oil and some pepper and some bean sauce and some other stuff as well. Alright, so this just came out. Some of the meat came out. I think it's pork. I think they're both pork. Alright, so this is the cold noodles that came out. Yeah, I mean it looks kind of, I don't know how far it looks from authentic, but it looks not bad. Alright, this is the steamed pork. It comes with kimchi and this little pepper sauce. And then, yeah, it's almost cooked. The cheese is all melted. Just a little bit of salt. BOBA.
Is that Korean style?
Very eat with the kimchi. I'm gonna eat it with some lettuce now. Alright, we've been waiting for a long time because it's taking forever to cook. But I had some pork and cheese and it was not bad. The fire, we had to change a new canister. Alright, so I got some pork, cheese, kimchi, and some lettuce here. Pretty good. It has a little of everything. Fatty, salty, spicy. Someone just used the pork and cheese. And some kimchi. A little kimchi here. Alright, I found this all fatty piece. I'm gonna eat it with some cheese. It's just fat. There's actually 5 tables here and they're all girls. I'm the only man on this floor. Alright, I think we finished everything. I pretty much killed everything. Alright, so we're just up there. They have 2 floors. Seems like there's not enough tables, but on the first floor is kind of like a bar where you can just kind of sit.
Drink alcohol.
Yeah, drink alcohol and eat. I thought it was pretty good. I thought it was a little bit expensive. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't cheap, but it wasn't normal. It was a little bit on the expensive side. For me and my girlfriend, we both spent about 4,600, so about $45 for the pork plate, the steamed pork, and the noodles. I guess it's not too bad, just a little bit expensive. So we're gonna go and see if get some bubble tea. But yeah, I think the overall experience was okay. Seemed kind of crowded in there. I was the only man on that floor. I think Korean food is more popular amongst like young Japanese women. I don't know, maybe because of the maybe because a lot of them travel to Korea, and also the Korean music. But we're gonna go see some bubble tea if they have any over here. All right, so my girlfriend wants to see if there's any we need some more jasmine tea, so we're gonna go in this foreign store and get some jasmine tea, I guess. I want to get some chocolate after all this salty food, but maybe I should hold off. Let's see, these look really good. Oh, these look really good. Look at this French toast with this vanilla ice cream. It's pretty good. I don't know, I hear some noise. Where's that noise coming from? Or is it from the speakers? Oh. Here's the movie theaters. Yeah, so I thought the food, I have really bad breath right now because of the garlic and the kimchi. And Korean food usually makes your breath smell really bad. So if you go to Korea, be ready for your breath to really smell bad. But I thought everything it tastes pretty original, because a lot of these Korean restaurants, they always taste like more bland and more taste to Japanese people, because they don't really like too spicy and too strong flavors. So I thought it was pretty good, but because I've eaten so many salty foods, I want something really sweet. So hopefully we'll get some nice milk tea. Oh, it's a game. Is that new?
Look like new.
I feel like this wasn't here last time. I think these cat cafes are getting so popular. Yeah, I don't think this was here last time. This looks like the one we went to over there. If you guys don't know, we went to one of these cat cafes around here actually.
But you know, usually
And I was getting allergies.
the
Yeah.
kids don't really like.
Yeah, they don't come to you. Yeah.
Ignore you.
Yeah, they don't. It's a scam.
So maybe the dark
They get tired of
coffee
you.
will be better a little bit, because the dark will close to people more.
That's true. Look, this place is open. Last time it was closed.
Okay, cool.
I think because it was during the lockdown, but last time this whole place was dark and the lights were all off.
You want?
Oh, what's this?
You want to try this one?
Which one?
This one we saw before.
Maru Maru? But what about this? They're both milk tea places?
Yeah, this one just normal Japanese style. This one was like a new style, and the one we saw before. Hope they don't have any flowers inside.
This
Can
is
you
so they're having like a special frappuccino all around the prefectures in Japan, and this is Kyoto's one. It's a matcha one. Kind of curious about it, but it's just a regular green tea one like they always have, right? It's just a little different.
see? I don't know.
It must
I
be.
can know that, but you know.
Got this I don't know what this is. What is this? I think it's for the festival. We got some people hanging out here. It's nice. Friday night. They're drinking some coffee. Some good wholesome boys drinking coffee. Nice. It's nice. Come out here with your friends, just hang out. A lot of young people out here. There's a lot of young people out here today, actually. Some menu there. There's some Michael Jackson inside. Mushachamachi. I got the mango But they got like these tarts out here too. They got these fruit beer, 3% alcohol. We got 2 drinks. I think my girlfriend got jasmine. She always does. And then I got the mango bubble tea, and it came out to about 1,200. Like $12. They got like huge milk tea thing here.
Hey, let's go.
All right, here's my mango drink. What did you get?
Peach oolong.
Oh, oolong.
You wanna try mine too?
No. Okay, maybe. Do I have to mix this up?
Yeah. Better.
I only got one. Can you hold this? Gotta mix the bottom. Oh, and then I didn't get tapioca. I got aloe gel. I don't know what that is. I thought it looked interesting. Is it mixing? Kind of. Alright, let me see.
Hold that.
It's refreshing.
Oh.
It's a good choice. Let me try yours. Here, let's try.
I didn't put any sugar in, so probably
No
not
sugar.
Yeah, probably not that good. What's
Yeah.
that face?
It tastes weird after I drink my sweet drink.
Because mine is not sweet.
I gotta mix it more. Look at this cool cafe. There's 2 floors, but you can see like right through the building. And they have like a little takeout area. Up there too, this is some sort of restaurant. Hey, what kind of restaurant is this? Cute gorilla. Oh, tonkatsu. Yeah, I know. It's pretty quiet out here. I don't know what that is. I think it's another restaurant. Yeah, my girlfriend wanted to go see the little puppy, so that's where we're going right now. Oh, we gotta go watch this guy cook. They always feel awkward, I think. Oh, it's an eel restaurant. Eel. Oh, it smells so strong.
Say hi to that guy.
He's just looking at the camera.
Yeah, then just
I don't. Some of these guys get really angry if you show a camera or something like that.
Yeah.
Did he look angry?
I feel he look angry about his work.
Oh.
Work so boring.
I don't know. I don't know if you can see, but the sun is about to set, and it's so nice over there. I bet you if we were like in the mountains, it'd have a better view. But it's like a little pinkish, purplish. All right, we're on the main street right here, but I thought there'd be a better sunset. Look at that. It's like pink and purple. Clouds look crazy. I don't know if I can zoom up on that. Looks great. And there's some mountains in the back as well. Walk in the middle of the street here. Here's the pet store. I don't think they like when they video cam.
This cat is cute.
Yeah, they're all cute. Probably like $3,000.
Chihuahua?
I do like chihuahuas.
I think Chihuahua is like cheaper maybe.
Probably like $3,000.
Than the one you like.
Yeah.
Maybe you don't like this type.
I didn't even notice this. I mean, I don't know. It depends. I feel like it depends on the personality.
This is really cute. Chihuahua. Chihuahua. Oh, so cute. Oh my god.
It is cute. There's. Let me see.
It's so small. Really small.
These are. It's a maybe a golden retriever. There's a Shiba though. I've never seen a brown Shiba. Maybe it turns lighter color when it gets older. They're cute. There's some more dogs on the other side as well.
Yeah, but maybe we shouldn't.
These stores are always so expensive though. Like $3,000 to $4,000. We came to a bathroom next door and look at how fancy this place is. It's a really upclass, upscale mall. I did a full tour about this place. It's called BAL, B-A-L. Alright, so they have like this foyer, and then it connects to the bathroom, but they have like real grass, and you rarely see like nice grass like this in Japan. It's pretty good. We'll probably put a lot of money into this. I've never seen real grass like this, like green. It's usually like yellow. This is Canada Goose. What store is this? What store is this? Got a Muji in here too. We just came in here for a quick bathroom break, but I think my girlfriend wants to look around this mall. They also have a Muji restaurant cafe. I've never seen a... Well, I have seen it before. This is like the second one I've seen. I think they're closing because it's almost 8 o'clock. Alright, this is Bao. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, eating food, eating Korean barbecue, walking around Kyoto, downtown Kyoto, and drinking milk tea and going to fancy bathrooms. But look out for future videos, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.